Yes. Human beings, people of the internet. I want to show you something that is very, 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 very interesting. This is Alps Road. Guys, as you can see, this road is actually super. Yakasotwa. Yakanyatsorwa resurfacing. So I am here. This is NYEREDZI Ridge. I always tell you guys, but in to make a short, I give you the best and I show you the newest, the newest places you can ever get to. So this is the entrance, as you can see. Look at this, my guy. This is the entrance. So we have this beautiful entrance here, and we have got these lights, street lights, and some nice palm trees. So construction is starting to happen, and right now Ndina Ngomango, Mr. Nairgel.
Yes,
Mr. Nairgel. Yeah, can you tell us more?
People of the internet, people.
Yes.
Okay. I think let me help you to do justice to this place.
Yes.
So this place is NYEREDZI Ridge.
Yes.
It's located in Mona. The whole development is on 174 hectares.
174 hectares.
Yes, 174 hectares.
Yes.
And this development, vachaona tapinda mukati.
Yes.
So the good thing about this development is phase 1 already yakatotengeswa ikapera. Yes, yakatotengeswa ikapera.
Sana
toverenga mari, vanhu vakatoverenga.
Saka tikatononoka tokona
kuti vanoshaya. So vakatotengesa vakapera, and phase 1 yatone compliance, and vakatotenga kutanga vatone matitle deeds avo. So this 174 hectares farm ine matitle deeds aro. So which means whoever achatenga mukati anenge ane title deed.
So you are going to get your title deed.
Yes.
This one is the entrance, guys. As you can see, you can actually see panava kuti obvious pachazenge panyatsosotwa because tichiri kutanga zvaanoziya.
Yes.
And I'm seeing this green chichichi. This is actually amazing.
Right.
So
toenderera mberi. So this development ine zvinhu zvakati wandei zvirimo.
Alright.
Mune a clubhouse, mune commercial places, mune nzvimbo yechikoro. There's a lot. But so being a gated community, ine 2 entrances. This one here iri kuna Alps, and the other one iri kuna Borodeo Road.
Saka inonobuda kuna Borodeo Road.
Yes, unobuda kuna Domboshava Road kuseri. Saka we go through tichazovaratidza
that side.
Yeah. Saka inside phase 1 it's tarred and sewer and water, everything is done. And this whole development in a biodigester. It's a world community. Access to it is via this gate and that gate only. So when someone buys here, he gets about 13 plants to choose from. So they want to maintain a certain standard
in this
community. So you get 13 plans that you choose from. Once you choose from there, then you can construct your house. Most of the time when pavanenge vachitenga masinzi pakazotanga kuzovakwa rini vakutochimhanya. Yes. So when we come to the pricing, at the moment the price is $100 per square meter. $100 per square meter. So whatever stand you choose between 500 square meters to 650 to 700 is gonna be by $100
per square meter.
Yes. My terms are you can pay cash, pay terms. They are accepted.
Nice. one is the second gate. As you can see, nice and beautiful. So this side, so this one is Borodale Road. Very close, I think less than 300, 500 meters. Right, so guys, as you can see, Panama is commercial area, and it's a commercial area. So here you can actually get yourself Nema stands for a hospital, for a crash, for my offices. So you can actually get land, baba. So unopinda neava apa. So we also have, this is where we have the primary school, ibaba. And this one is the entrance. So we have a biodigester. So as you can see, that's the biodigester.